Hello, good day, folks, and welcome to another episode of Farmer James Beekeeping. And taking a quick look at my backyard. If you hang out here, you might see or you might hear these chickadees. And yeah, those are pretty much what's eating the bees on the ground. So what I'm going to try to do is walk a little bit. That's where I can see it. Also, you might see, yeah, there she is. You might see her running around. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do today is hopefully tell you a little bit more about my little wrapping of my hives up here in the snow. We do get a lot of it. We have more to come. But yep, also take a quick peek and you might see again some of these chickadees. I'm going to let you look at the hives real quick. So you might see a chickadee and they're eating the dead bees that are on the perch. Well, it's a perch, but it's actually a entrance reducer that I've taken out. Not worried about mice anymore. But yeah, take a quick look and a glance, and you'll see some of these dead bees, and some of the dead bees are bees that have come out. Also, like I said, the chickadees are eating the dead bees on the ground. So, yeah, interesting to see. Like I said, you'll see some dead bees, but they are being brought out by the chickadees from the edges. So yeah, that's what you might see here. And then here as well, you'll notice, oh, yep, better. There you go. You'll notice some dead bees. London. But, so you see that you have the thick foam insulation. Yep, yelling out to London. She's run over there. Hopefully she'll come back real quick. She's gone a little bit too far. So yeah, let's just walk over and get a different angle of my hives from a side we haven't seen before. And it's a really nice sign. So we're condensing the hives. You'll see there's that nice thick foam insulation that will be in between those two hives there. And then also the black tar paper like I mentioned before. So that black tar paper, reason I don't have the insulation like you see on the sides is that tar paper is absorbing the heat. And I want that heat to get absorbed and not reflected from that sun, just to give a little bit of warmth. And on the hives that are on the side, you see that foam, that blue tape, it's to really, and on the back side, is to protect the hives against that north wind. So yeah, let's just take a little walk. I'm going to step over, and if you take a little glimpse, you can see on the top of the hives how deep that snow is. So yeah, looking in the yard, those are empty boxes. The quick supers I had to empty out and let them clean out. So you can see the snow is about a foot or more on the hives. Yeah. But it's not melting fast, and I think that's indicative of the fact that there's no heat being lost through the top. So this black tar paper that you see down here, or you see over there actually, that black tar paper really works for a good insulation. So that wrap is entirely like an envelope. So underneath this rooftop, that insulation is tucked, and then underneath that insulation, I have thick, rigid foam. That foam is basically as thick as you see right here. So about like that thick. Okay, so that rigid foam is mostly the foam they used in garages and so forth. because that's what most people add the most foam to keep the most warmth or the most cold out is in the garages. So this foam insulation is garage foam insulation. So I'm just going to walk around and see if I can see anything else that just steps right out. So if you look down here, all of that stuff over there, if you could see it, that is all the bees that have come from the different chickadees. So I'm just going to walk over here. Like I said, folks, hands got in the way. So over here, we're going to walk and you can see, based on what's the back of the hive, you can kind of get an idea how deep the snow is. Yep. So, like I said, I got that rigid foam along the back. So that's where the wind is really coming from. So it's coming this direction towards my hive. So I want to make something where I could have that barrier that will help me keep that northwesterly wind down, minimize the cold air in and out of the hive, as well as create what I'm hoping is this thermal regulation. Yeah, folks, as you can see, hives are wrapped pretty good in a way. That rigid foam insulation is a nice barrier. It's all the way across the back and across the side. And like I showed you in the middle as well. So just a real quick glance. Nothing too much going on. But again, this is what I do with my hives, with that rigid foam insulation. That's my barrier. I don't use the Reflectix because up here in the north we need that barrier against the cold. Today I'm only using them out here really is because it's a nice little heat wave. It's above 30-something degrees, 35. And I think it's supposed to get 36 before we drop again to where we have below zero temperatures. So just wanted to come out and give you all a glance, elaborate a little bit more about my hive wrap and what I do. And if you look down below, you might see some of what's going on in the entrances. Might see some stuff on the ground. And again, sorry folks if I'm not doing the best of my ability. But yep, trying to give you a good glance. So yeah, I'll try to show you a front entrance a little bit better. And if you could see on the ground, I hope you did. Maybe some dead bees, but not a lot of bees. I don't have a lot of dead bees. And I'm hoping up there is London. She's having fun while I'm doing my little video out here with you folks. Again, this is Farmer James, just giving you a little clips of the backyard. A lot of snow. I really am not going to check my hives until probably next month. That's when you'll see me going to hives for the first time. I'll probably just do a lift, see what's going on as far as who's upstairs. If they're not, that's good, I guess. I'll do a floor test probably tomorrow night. Temperatures are going to drop below zero again or close to zero. In the next couple days before going up again. Yep, just checking things out. Yep, there's London running around doing her thing. And here's me again. Yeah, folks, so leave your comments, like, subscribe. Hit that like button, please. Subscribe, please leave your comments so that whatever I share with you, I can share more, ask questions. Your questions help me provide more information for you all. Again, Farmer James Beekeeping in the state of Vermont. Love the Green Mountains. talk to you all later.